My name is Crystal Archie F. Lakian. My father is Fernando Lakian. My mother is Agnes Lakian. I want to become a nurse like my mother. Thank you.
Darena Alea Jan R.
My name is Alea Jan Arnalena. My mother is Alphalena. When I grow up, I want to become a teacher. I love to teach children. Thank you.
Mendoza